Hello and welcome back to Danno Does. In this video, we are making chicken breasts marinated in Italian salad dressing. As always, we will be talking about the materials needed for the recipe, and then we will begin to cook. Remember, I want you to like, subscribe, and try. Keep the chicken breast on the cutting board. Grab your glass that you have the paper towel wrapped around and begin to pound the chicken so it's flat. This allows for an even cook. If the paper towel rips, breaks, or is saggy, feel free to remove it and gently pound the chicken breast until it is flat. Once you are satisfied and believe the chicken is even in flatness, take your fork and begin to poke holes into it to allow the marinade to fully go through. I like to go down and up one side with the prongs facing left to right. I flip it, and then I have the prongs facing up and down. Now that my chicken is prepared to be marinated, I take my 1 gallon resealable bag and I pour about 4 ounces of my Italian dressing into it, or about I even it out a little bit, and then I take my chicken breast and I just plop them in the bag. I then take the remaining 4 ounces and I put it in the plastic bag. Now, to help it marinate, I like to remove as much air out of the bag as I can. So I fold it in half and I zip the bag about halfway. I push all the remaining air out, or as much of the remaining air out as I can, and I finalize my seal. Flip it, tuck the top part in underneath it, and then I just marinate a little bit. I massage it around. I leave the label exposed so I can write down what I have in here and the date in which I did it. I'm gonna put this in my refrigerator and let it sit in the refrigerator for no more than 12 hours. And as close as I can to the 6-hour mark, I take it and I flip it so that it marinates evenly. They've been in the fridge for the last 8 hours. At the 4-hour mark, we rotated them to ensure that the marinade went evenly throughout the entire chicken breast. All right, it's looking pretty good. As you can see, the Italian dressing has thoroughly been marinated in these chicken breasts. The oven has been preheating at 400 degrees. We're gonna take these chicken breasts, throw them into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll check on them. At the 20-minute mark, take a little peek, see how they're doing, see if they're browning properly or not. And then from there, we can determine if we want to leave them in or pull them out. Normally by 22 minutes, they're pretty good to go. So here we go. It's been about 22 minutes since we put the chicken in. So let's check on it. Pulling it out of the oven, here we go. We want the chicken breast to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. So we're gonna check its temperature right now. There we go, 168. So we're good. These chicken breasts are good. Cooked all the way through. Now we want to wrap it in the tin foil and let it sit for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and here it is. It looks beautiful and smells amazing. If you haven't already, please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and check us out at DannoDoes.com. Now stop looking and get cooking.